Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now before we get too far along in this video, I just want to say, I don't know what I want to say. I don't know why I thought it was acceptable for me to come on camera looking like an amoeba, but I did it. So that's just the realest, purest form you're gonna get from me. It's not even really a hair tutorial. I don't want to call it a hair tutorial. I'm bad at explaining things. I hope that you can enjoy this video, kind of. This is my hair probably a month in. This video is long overdue. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen me post pictures of me in this hair. Please watch, enjoy. I don't know. I'm so sorry I look a mess. I know. I am doing my hair and I'm doing dreadlocks, so that'll be fun. I wanted to record this process because I have done dreadlocks before, but I've never done them on camera. I'm at the age, I'm at the point in my life where I don't care what I look like anymore as long as my hair is done. Dreadlocks is a way for my hair to be done, so I don't have to do it every day and be messy, because like, you know, the messier your hair gets, the better the look gets. So your girl's doing dreadlocks. The dreadlocks that I am using are this one, faux loc. Just look at it, screenshot it. I don't know. I got this at my local beauty supply store. This is one of the only types of dreadlocks that I like. I don't like the ones that are too synthetic looking. These have like a subtle wave to them. They're not too wavy and they go in their own direction. They kind of like live their own individual lives. Those were the type of dreads that I was looking for. The very first time I had dreadlocks, I used these ones, and these were the ones that I found at the hair store that was closest to my house. And then the second time I did dreadlocks, I didn't find these particular ones. These are the only ones that I like. I couldn't find those, so I went online. I went to Sam's Beauty and I found these ones. These ones you are more likely to find anywhere. These are faux locs, soul, I don't know, bomba dreadlocks, whatever that means to you, look it up. These are my backup. This picture looks really not that great because I just don't like how neat it looks. They're good. They're good. They're my second choice. They're my backup. So if I really want dreadlocks and these aren't available, I'm getting these. And then if these aren't available, I'm not doing dreadlocks. I don't know why. I just hate any other type of dreadlock that does not look, I don't know, at least the least bit of natural to me. I don't want it. This is the progress I've made so far. And I did all of this myself for the first time, all of it myself so far, with a little guidance of my mom because I'm just so bad parting. But I'm going to be fast forwarding this and basically showing you guys me doing my hair. I'm gonna move it back as far as you can so you can see everything. I absolutely hate, like 100% hate, when the braid is popping through the dreadlock. I have some of these that are popping through. Let me see if I can. Like this one right here, the braid is coming out. Like I'm still parting it. I found it was easier to do it the way that I'm doing it. I kind of separated my hair and then I started with the back and I left the front alone, unparted, except for down the middle. Well, I hid it, but just left it alone so I could focus on the back. Hair popping through, showing. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, and I try to make sure that the ones that are showing are toward the back in the bottom, covered by other hair. But so these are not perfect. They're not gonna be perfect because I'm not a hair professional. I just do my hair because I want my hair done. I just wanted to say that real quick. This is taking so long and I'm frustrated because the braids are coming out. I'm running out of these. We got 4 left, but that's all right. We're gonna make it work. I'm almost done. I'm almost there. Look at that. Look. Oh, I think the worst part is like knowing that it's messed up and can't do nothing about it. And you try and fix it, you try, but it doesn't work. You can wrap it. I don't wrap it because it messes up the dread, and then if you try to fix it because it doesn't look right wrapped, then you can't fix it. It gets really frustrating, but you gotta keep doing it until you get it done. And you get it right. Like in the back, it was fine. I don't know what's going on now. I look a mess. All right, let's see. gosh. I think the trick is if you slide your needle in through the hollow of the hair like you're supposed to do, and then once you get toward the top, just make sure that you can't see your needle from all sides around. Like right here, you see how I can see it? Then the braid is gonna pop through. So like I'll push the needle up and push this flap up so the hook is closed, and then try and go through again to make sure it's covered. Guide it all the way up. If you need to, turn your hand so like the dread can like open up a bit, because if you pull too tightly, then the dread will close and it'll be more difficult. I know some people on YouTube don't mind that the braid slipped out. They don't mind that the braid shows, but I mind. I don't know why I mind so much. Okay, that's better. So you see how it's kind of on the bottom now? It's not on the side like how it was before, which is better. I can take that. I can do that. Only problem with that is when if I put my hair up in a bun, then that's gonna show. But you gotta pick your battles, I guess. Like right here, this one right here, bothering me. But I'm not gonna touch it because I know that if I do, look at me touching it. I know that if I mess with it, it's gonna mess up all the way. See this one right here look good because it's covered up. I can pull it and it won't, the braid won't show. And it's like, why can't all of them be like that? It's not that hard. It's not that difficult, you know? They don't want to act right. So this is how much hair I have left. And I have 4 more of the other packs still. And I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put those, but I'm not too worried right now. Worst case scenario, I have to do braiding hair and just dread it that way. Or go to the store, which closes in 3 hours. Let me do my thing. Well, hurry up. I'm freaking. Video. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.